Hello and welcome to another Autos unboxing. In today's video, I managed to get the fourth magazine. Yeah, if you wanna see the other three, you can find it on my YouTube channel. I've opened 1, 2, 3, and now this is the fourth one. Well, let's open it and get this exclusive car out of there. And here it is. Now I'm not just gonna keep it sealed, I'm gonna open it. And here it is. Fuel iron. Pretty fast fuel iron. Pretty cool car. It's honestly pretty heavy and it's beautiful. Yeah, and that's it. I'm gonna now go read the magazine to see what's going on in it. Bye bye.